Hello and welcome to the e-commerce. So in this video, I will show you how to get started to set up your store very quickly. So the first thing that you need to do is basically these 4 steps here, which is the creation of a product, to be able to sell some products, to connect a payment processor to be able to collect the payments from your customers, to add a store details for the receipts, for example, via email that people would get, and adding a shipping method and taxes if you actually have taxes, and shipping if you're selling physical products. Otherwise, you will not be able to have your customers to purchase a product because you don't have a shipping to them. So make sure you do all these steps in order to do that. So the first one being creating of a product. It's very simple. You can add your title, description, price, images, and other cool things as tracking inventory variations, tagging users, adding additional questions to the products themselves. So you can play around and add your products this way. But you can, of course, create and import products as well. So you can import if you already have a file with products. And in this example, in this template that we have selected, we have 4 pre-created products that you can just delete if you don't want to use, or just edit them if you want to use those samples as starting point for your products as well. Now, what else you have in the dashboard is you have the ability to access your drag and drop builder, so you can actually start customizing your pages. So you go into the builder area, which you can also access from the top. So this is the actual page building. So here you can actually start customizing with drag and drop your design however you want. So you can play around and create amazing changes to your design to be fitting your business however you like. Everything without any custom code, everything with just your mouse. Now let's go back to the store. In the store, you have the orders tab, which will show all the orders that you have. Then you have the products, which again we mentioned, where you can create your products, your categories. Subscription tab is if you are selling subscription products, such as recurring payment type of products or installment products. They'll all show here. If you don't have, it will just stay blank as this. Then you have the discount codes that you can create to give to your customers, either automatic or with a coupon code. Then you have the layout and styling. So from here you can actually further customize your whole e-commerce experience. For example, you want to style your product page. You can go and edit it with your drag and drop builder once again, and you can fully customize the looks however you like and add whatever you want into your pages. Plus, again, other things such as the listing, the cart checkout, and the quick cart, they're all fully customizable by you. Lastly, you have the settings. In the settings, you can add your store details, email for notifications, add your shipping, taxes rules, connect your payment processor, which I said it's really important for you to connect your payment processor here from the menu that we have available. So simply connect it and you'll be able to start collecting payments from your users. So this is a quick overview of the product, of the whole e-commerce setup. When you're ready, you can just copy your URL. You can connect one from the builder as well. This is just for the example, but here it will be whatever your custom URL is for your website. And again, you can go into the builder, start customizing your pages, actual pages, navigate. You can also create funnels and websites from within my funnels and websites area. So within your store, you can add e-commerce sales funnels to generate even more, but for that on another video. You can access your contacts as a CRM, appointments, and do email marketing and automations all within the platform. So this is the power of the e-commerce. And here let me show you just how it would look when you have a few orders inside your store. This is an example. You can filter by specific time frame. You can add filters to find the orders and how it is performing your store. So it's super powerful for you to actually navigate and find all the information that you need to grow your store, to see insights about how customers are performing, where they're coming from. You can generate your links, for example, for tracking your users. As in this example, we have one source from YouTube for the sake of the example. Then you have a tab with all the subscriptions that you have. Again, if you don't have any subscription products, here it will just be blank. Then you have the upsells and downsells in your and bump offers inside your funnels. So you can see that information with the sales funnels. Really awesome way to see that information. Top performers, which are the most selling products, top users, top sources that are bringing traffic and sales to your store. So all this information from your dashboard, you can see all the orders, you can see all subscriptions, products, all these things within the platform. I hope that you enjoyed the experience, and let us know if you have any questions.